Okay, I'll start with Luke and Susana. They are extremely professional and knowledgeable, and at the same time very caring and passionate about what they're doing. And the way that they deliver the course, I think it's fantastic. The progression that we have through the days, and not only the content but also like the language that they use to communicate. I think it's really important and very clear. And when I came here, I came without any expectations, which I think it's really good, and it's been an amazing surprise for me. It's really helping me already to identify lots of like negative patterns that I've been carrying with me during my life, but not just like to be aware of them, but really like work on them. I think that's something that's really good, because it really helps like to really tune with nature and let it go all of the ego. And that's what I really want for myself. So for me it's been really useful, and I'm really grateful to be here.